Check it out, guys. GMC Sierra, elevation, super nice color. We put the BAK Revolver X4s hard roll-up cover. Super easy to use. One cable to pull for that full bed access. Hard roll-up style. Now you can lock up all the gear, tools. What's neat about this cover is there's no Velcro like a lot of roll-up styles. Simple clamp-on install. It's got aluminum slats for security. You can hear the latch once it locks up. There. There. It's got a nice seamless design. Really nice cover. Visit Truck Access Plus for same-day installs on many different style bed covers for all pickups. Phoenix, Arizona, Truck Access Plus.